Alright, today we got a special project. We are making coin rings for my sister and my niece in Connecticut. Alright, so we're going to get started. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to make some holes. Meet you over at the crusher. Alright, we're over here at the crusher. Going to punch a hole in that coin. Okay, we're back. So we've got a hole in that. We're just going to pop that out with our mallet. There you go. Just have to decide which side to put out, and I think we'll put the side that says Republic Italia. Okay, and then on the inside we'll have the date 1978. Okay, before we dome that, we're just going to use our deburring tool, and we're just going to take the burr off of that, clean that up a bit. Yeah, that's all it takes. Bring in our doming tool. Okay, so now we're going to go over to our ring stretcher, and we're going to continue the process here. Okay, so what we have here is we've got our ring anvil here. We're just going to continue. Alright, here's a little FYI shop tip. I noticed sometimes when you're hammering that out, the ring will pop and it'll pop off. Okay, in order to keep that from happening, you just take a small piece of leather. Okay, it could be a piece of cloth, but leather seems to work best. You put a slash in it, and then you slide that over the top. Outer edge of pretty much every coin has a high, I'm going to call it a crown. Okay, so to make the ring more symmetrical, I like to take that crown down a bit. Okay, so the way I do that is I just put that into a drill, and then just get a piece of sandpaper and I just run that in there. So I'm switching over to 500. Okay, so just going to remove that from our sanding drum. You can see we brought that down a nice edge there with 1500. Ring reducer. Okay, we'll find the right size. Alright, first thing we're going to do though before we bear down on that is we're going to get ourselves some Marvel lubricating oil, and we're just going to lubricate the edge there a little bit. I tend to think that helps it from getting stuck or binding. We're just going to bring that down. Okay. Oops. You can see that domed it a little bit. It made it more, not domed it, but made it more symmetrical side to side. Okay. Yeah, so I've got my handy dandy little Dremel light out here. I'm going to hit the inside of this ring with some 320 grit. Looks really good. I think this ring I'm going to leave like antiqued. Okay, I'm going to call it antiqued, or leave a patina on there. Okay, yeah, I mean, it'll look great highly polished as well, but I think this ring, I think it would do it justice by leaving it with some patina. All right, so we're just going to hit the outside of that ring with a very soft scrub pad on my Dremel. Swap the buffing abrasive over for a full buffing pad. We're going to get some buffing paste out. That's it. I'm going to leave it like that. I think that's really going to look good. Alrighty, so that is done. I think it came out really well. And I got a little surprise from my niece and my sister. I got some more coins here that I punched holes in. I think I know what I'm going to do with them. We've got another gold coin or bronze coin made from euro, 50-cent euro. I think that's going to look nice. Got a really nice crown on it. We also have a British coin, half penny. FYI, this 1944 British half penny is in rose gold is going to be size 9.5. That's a hint, hint, hint. And this one here is size 7, and then the other two will make into other sizes. That way, maybe you can wear them on different fingers. Okay, you'll figure it out. Yeah, and then we've got a silver coin. Okay, Republic of Italy, and that is a Lear 100. Okay, so that's going to look pretty good. I think this will be a pleasant surprise. Yeah, I hope they really enjoy these. I hope they wear them with health, and yeah, and think of places they've been, like Italy and stuff like that. Maybe Great Britain.